Hello folks, this is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Auto Detailing here in Dallas, Texas. I wanted to talk about something. I've got this Easy Detail brush. These brushes are pretty popular. They're just kind of like the Daytona Speedmaster brush where you can get in here and clean the inside of the barrels effectively and safely. It's got soft bristle brushes on it, or soft bristles on it, and it's also got a flexible handle. You can kind of tweak this thing to any shape that you want to get behind the spokes or something like that if you want to. It's also got a little plastic tip on the end of this so it's not going to scratch anything. I wanted to talk, this tool, this Easy Detail brush, I go probably through 2 of these a year. This one's about 6 months old. It's starting to get a little ratty on me and I'm losing some of the bristles. So I decided to do something and I wanted to share it with you because I'm awfully impressed with something. I just recently did a review of a MaxShine 15mm long throw polisher, and I was awfully impressed with that polisher because MaxShine is actually the creator and the producer of that polisher. They also have their own product line, stuff from soaps, wash mitts, all sorts of accessories, and I came across this. This is just like the Easy Detail brush, just like the Daytona Speedmaster. It's got a little protective tip on the end of it so you're not going to scratch anything. The bristles are real nice and soft. You can get in here and clean the inside of the barrels effectively. They also make a smaller version of this just like Easy Detail does, and so does Daytona Speedmaster. But what's really interesting about this is MaxShine, again, is the actual creator and producer of this tool. They own the rights to this tool and they actually create it themselves within their own factory. This MaxShine brush, which is so impressive because the Easy Detail brush and the brush from Daytona Speedmaster, what do they cost? Around $23, $24 for the long one, right? That's the big one to be able to get into those big spoked areas on the wheels. Folks, I wanted to look at MaxShine's line and I spent some money to be able to invest in the product line and start reviewing or looking at some of their products. I came across this tool here because, again, this one's getting ratty and I wanted to replace it, so I decided to go this route. I've had this one for about a week. Folks, what's so incredible with this, I see no difference between this brush here and the Easy Detail brush or the Daytona Speedmaster brush. But what was incredible is I found this on Amazon for $12. Half the cost of the Easy Detail brush and half the cost of the Speedmaster. Folks, this thing is incredible. Got the little rubber tip, won't scratch anything. The stem all along this, all the way through this brush that holds the bristles is also protected and rubber coated so it's not going to scratch anything. You got this little knuckle protector on the end of it just like a Daytona Speedmaster, just like an Easy Detail brush. It's flexible. The handle is like a wood handle that's been coated, rubberized coated, so it's going to be completely safe and gentle. You're not going to scratch or ruin anything on your wheels. I just wanted to share this with you. I'll put the description below the video. Again, I'm not an affiliate with anybody. I don't work for this company. I just thought for $12, been using this thing for a week, getting amazing results with it, has all the benefits of the Easy Detail brush or the Daytona Speedmaster, but at half the cost and made by the actual company that sells this thing. I just thought for $12, how can I go wrong? This thing, if it lasts me 6 months like I typically get with an Easy Detail brush, I'll be saving half the money. I love it. Been using it for a week and it's working great. Just wanted to share that with you. I'll put a description down below of what it's called, the MaxShine wheel brush. I'll find out what it is. Again, I don't leave links, so I don't make money off you guys. I just wanted to share that with you. $12 on Amazon to have an identical brush. I see no difference between this and the Easy Detail brush or the Daytona Speedmaster. I love you so much. I'll talk to you guys soon. I'm going to do some more reviews about MaxShine. I've got many products that I purchased from them because I'm so impressed with the quality within the line, and I'll bring some more highlights of their products as we go along. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.